I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in DEPHEMEREMBER, Day 27, hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzel. Be sure and check out their channels. They are such talented ladies. And today's prompt is spaghetti box window. Well, I had to take a little bit of a turn on this one because my spaghetti comes in paper, not a box. So I kind of did this more literally. So I've got spaghetti. I cut this out of the box. And I've got my window. So I'm going to make I'm just going to do a collage with this. And it's going to be real simple. I feel like I'm cheating, but like I said, I don't have a spaghetti box. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. My baby boy, it turns 27 today, I believe. Goodness, time passes. I still think of him as a little boy. Not that he appreciates that. Whoops. Okay. He's a good young man, and I love both my sons. So I'm gonna put that there, kind of like something sitting on that seat. A pillow? I don't know. But I've got the part of a box. And I figure the best thing to do is just to take that and add it in that light lamp. I know this is kind of cheesy, but the prompt's been met. Now, do I want to do it that way, or do I do want it? I want to do it upside down. And let me see. Proportion's not right, but you know what? I really don't mind. So I'm going to use a sticker. Cut around it right quick. She looks kind of retro, doesn't she? Ah, she is retro. I love these stickers. I got them from Amazon. That's half the fun of everything being a little disproportionate. I finished book 7 of my Harry Potter series I've been talking about in some of my videos. I've reread them so many times, but they are good every time. Okay, now I just need to cut out the white outer arms. Going to kind of just to tone down that white edge. I didn't quite get close enough to. Don't matter, there's more room. I want to add her on that side. she's gonna get full off that candy. All right. And believe it or not, because of this one, I think I'm gonna forgo the splatters. So I hope you enjoyed my unique take on a spaghetti box window. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels. And be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER and hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. I think I forgot to mention that on my last couple of videos, and I'm so sorry. But if you've been watching this or been around in the junk journaling, you've probably already known about it. So please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So until hopefully tomorrow, bye y'all.